Welcome to Texas A&M AgriLife Extension. My name is Joanne, and I'm the Family and Community Health County Extension Agent for the County of Hidalgo. Today, we have Mary Moreno, who is a Master Calling volunteer, and she's going to teach us how to make a turban hat. The Master Calling volunteers will be making a community service project this month and donating these hats to Faithful Warriors. Faithful Warriors is a nonprofit organization where the mission is to bring awareness and prevention to the Rio Grande Valley. For more information about Faithful Warriors, please visit their website at survivorsonthemove.org. The supplies you'll need are 1 yard of fabric, your sewing supplies, which is your hand needle, your thread, and your sewing machine. The Master Calling volunteers received a donation to make this community service project. Now, let's welcome Ms. Mary Moreno.
Hi, good morning. My name is Mary Moreno, and I'm a member of the Master Clothing Volunteers. It's a wonderful program that I have joined about 8 years ago. Awesome. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a turban. The tools that we're going to use is, of course, your measuring tape, a good hand needle, your threads, and your scissors. If you're going to make it for yourself, you measure your head. Because I know it's a 23. Yeah, 23. Okay, but the standard, it's 21 inches by 16. Okay, this is the pattern. And we're going to put the material on fold. Make sure we pin it. As you see, here's the fold. Okay, you have fold your material. And I think this will make it easier to be cut. And sometimes it's the cutting that, for me, it's a little bit difficult. But I know for some of you, it's not. Okay, so now we use our good scissors to cut it. See? So you have, okay, always make sure that it's iron before we start cutting. See, and this is the way it's going to look. This will be going to the cancer victims. The material was donated to us by Dolores Ornelas, that she's a cancer survivor. And now we're gonna start. And this is by hand. And we get started from right here. We go all around. We start sewing from one side to the end, and to the end. You just go in and out. And it's just in and out, in and out. Okay? So we come to the end. So here at the end, we're going to close it. And we just close it, make some sturdy stitches. See how we have to pull the thread? So it has to be a strong thread with a good needle. Because if we don't use a good needle, it might bend. That way we have this right here. See, this is the end of that. It doesn't take that long. As instead of using our phone playing games, we can use our hands to do something constructive. And this, we can meditate on this. So you kind of do the closing. And always make sure that you backstitch and never go like this. always use your scissors. Okay? This, and then you turn it around. Because this is what we're going to put in the turban. We go in and out, and then we sew here, and this is where you're going to sew with the sewing machine. Okay, after you have done that, you kind of work with it like this, and very gently make the little stitches where they don't show. Try to use the same color of thread. After you have done this, this is what we're gonna see in our finished product. I know a lot of you know how to make roses, little flowers, and you just add this to your finished product. Let me see how it's going to look. And this is actually how it's going to look. Just keep in mind that these ladies are going to use the heads, and we want for them to look pretty because they're going through a lot. And this is going to go for a good cause. You know, and always we have to be practical and sensitive to their needs, so they can use it one way or another. This is my first video, and I hope you enjoy it. A lot of material has been donated, so we can use that material for good use.
Thank you, Ms. Moreno. The MCVs will be donating these hats to Faithful Warriors in the beginning of September. If you would like to donate these hats, please drop them off at our office located at 410 North 13th Avenue, Edinburgh, Texas, before September the 4th. Don't forget to tag us if you made this project at #MCVRGVSew and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, we would greatly appreciate you liking and following our Facebook page at AgriLife Extension Family Resources Hidalgo County. Thanks for watching.